I'm Jenny Williams and I am the Secondary School Improvement Advisor for North Tyneside Music Education Hub, which is part of the School Improvement Service for North Tyneside Council. And we've been here today at John Spence High School running a workshop day for Year 6 students who are coming up to the school in Year 7, and to give them a taster of lots of different musical activities throughout the day, including music technology workshops. We've also done songwriting workshops. We've had the experience of performing on ukulele, learning different songs, different chords and different styles, and giving the students an experience of vocal workshops as well, which has been fantastic.
Today, from 9:15 this morning till now, we have been writing an original song and putting it together with all the children.
I want you to write one words that come into your head about winter time. Does anybody want to shout out any words that they have? And again, this is not a competition.
When we were putting the whole thing together, we obviously had 4 sections of the song, and I said to Susie, we're going to write 3 verses and a chorus, and at the end of the session we're going to actually put the song together. And I think they really got on board with it. I give them, what I like to do is try and find out what they're writing first rather than get them to write about my prompts. But I think some of the lyrics they came up to do were absolutely fantastic.
And no longer am I feeling blue. That's great.
So the ukulele workshop was an opportunity for young people to perform together, to learn techniques, and chords on the ukulele, and also to learn a variety of different songs in different styles.
Are you with me? Did you get it? Try the C chord. Don't try the bottom, yeah. Just 5, give that one left like that.
Today I was running the Garageband Workshop. We listened to the arrangement that had already been constructed, so that was Phil Caffrey's guitar part, and from that I'd built a track using MIDI sounds and introduced the young people into the different possibilities that there are of using those MIDI tracks. Each group played around with things like the drums and the bass. One of the groups played with the strings, so we had a nice warm pad synth string sound that they used in the chorus. They had the opportunity to play around with the guitar and understand the difference of playing chords or playing single notes. The other side of GarageBand obviously isn't just the playing of the instruments and playing around with them, but also the recording element of that.
The majority of them hadn't experienced GarageBand, so it was very interesting to watch them kind of discover a whole new path of music and to watch them walk away with a skill that they didn't think that they'd have when they woke up this morning.
In my workshop today, we did a series of different vocal activities. We did singing, we learned about how to warm up for singing, how to prepare for singing, and then we worked on learning We Will Rock You by Queen, did some body percussion alongside that as well, and then at the end of the day we came together and we performed that song. Music Hub works with all of the secondary schools in North Tyneside, and we work specifically with John Spence School on a number of bespoke activities for the school. We are involved in supporting a performing arts academy, which will be starting in September, which is for Year 7 students, some of whom we've met today. We also run several of our hub groups and ensembles out of John Spence on a Wednesday evening. So we have a choir, we have a ukulele group, and we also have our Standing Upright project, which runs here out of the school.
The Standing Upright project is based here at John Spence and enables growth in musicianship, leadership and confidence for young people aged 12 to 24. And from that, some of the young leaders come out with us and are able to run workshops, facilitate workshops with a music specialist, come out and do events with us and support the events, whether it's at the Playhouse or in Wallsend Town Centre or the Victorian Market. They just learn skills in terms of how to inspire other people to make music, develop other people's confidence, and so the circle keeps turning.
A lot of what we do at the Music Hub is very much about supporting students when they're moving from one school to another, so thinking about providing them with experiences that will allow them to see that what they've done in primary school can and will continue in secondary school. This is obviously really important at the moment when it's been really quite difficult for a lot of young people in terms of transition to their new school, and also in terms of not having had much access to live music making in the past year. So we really want to get started again in year 7 and to be thinking about creating activities and exciting opportunities for young people to get involved with, so they can get back together, making music together.
I would like to think the things that the students have learned from being in my session is to be brave and bold. Their ability to want to perform has shone today. I've really enjoyed today.
Those young people had come in today not knowing the song they were going to write, not knowing the lyrics, not knowing, some of them, how to play a ukulele or how to use Garageband. They learned skills that they had no idea that they had at all before that.
The final performance today was absolutely brilliant.
Today, we've taught them to be decision makers, risk takers, be creative and enjoy the love of making music. I basically want to just give young people the confidence to get out there and go for it, like I did when I was young.
So if anybody wants to get involved with activities here at John Spence High School, first of all, speak to your music teacher, speak to Mr. Holland, speak to Mr. Grazer, and they will be able to give you all the information you need about how to get involved with the activities that we run here at John Spence. You can also go to our website, which is ntmeh.org.uk, to find out more information, or you can find us on social media as well.